Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common issue many of you may have faced when dealing with DNS changes and internal page redirect. Have you ever encountered a situation where your website's DNS points to a new IP address, but for some reason, redirects for internal pages just aren't working as expected? This can be frustrating, especially if you're not sure what's causing the problem or how to fix it. In this video, we'll delve into the world of DNS and explore why this issue occurs. We'll break down the concepts involved and provide a clear explanation of what's happening behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how DNS affects your website's redirects and what you can do to resolve this common problem. So let's start with the basics. When you update your website's DNS to point to a new IP address, it can take some time for the changes to propagate globally. This is because DNS changes are cached by various entities, including internet service providers, browsers, and even your own computer. Now, when it comes to internal page redirects, things get a bit more complicated. These redirects rely on the website server being able to correctly resolve the URL of the page being requested. However, if the DNS change hasn't fully propagated yet, the server may not be able to find the new IP address associated with your website's domain. Think of it like trying to send a letter to someone who has just moved to a new house. If you use their old address, the letter won't reach them because they're no longer living there. Similarly, if your website server is still using the old IP address, the internal page redirects won't work because the server can't find the correct location. Another important factor to consider is that some servers may have a DNS cache of their own. This means that even after you've updated your DNS, the server may still be using an outdated cached version of the DNS record. This can lead to further delays in resolving the new IP address and affect the functionality of internal page redirect. To summarize, when DNS points to a new IP address, internal page redirects may not work due to DNS propagation delays, server-side DNS caching issues, outdated cached DNS records. It's essential to understand these factors to resolve this common problem. By being aware of the potential causes, you can take steps to mitigate them and ensure that your website's internal page redirects function correctly. That's it for today's video. I hope this explanation has helped you better understand why DNS changes can affect internal page redirects and what you can do to resolve these issues. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content on web development and related topics. We'll see you in the next video.